Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, you must remove the glove box. Open the glove box. To remove the glove box, identify the latch located on the right-hand side. Move it aside and remove the cover. Remove the cover, then take out the filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Slide the filter into its housing, paying careful attention to the flow of air. The arrows on the filter must point downwards. Put the cover back on. Reinstall the glove box. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.